Hi, what I'll be describing today is the Wilkes-Barre branch of the Pennsylvania Railroad on the Wyoming Valley Division. This is one of the last sections of the layout to become operational. I had originally planned for it to be DC, just like the Jersey Central, but finally decided it'd be easier to convert it to DCC. Right now we just have two engines that are converted. One is the NW2 3909 seen here. It's a Cato unit and runs great. The second one is GP7 A549. This is a Proto 2000 unit, and interestingly, when they came out with it, this is the exact number of the first road unit that was used in Wilkes-Barre in 1953. The Pennsylvania's Wilkes-Barre branch ran from the large Buttonwood Yard south of Wilkes-Barre. That's represented by two staging tracks inside the industrial buildings. To Wilkes-Barre, where it interchanged with the Lehigh Valley Railroad. The single interchange track is just forward of the ballasted track, which is the Pennsylvania Railroad's mainline track coming in, and it's used for Lehigh Valley engines to drop off interchange cars and to pick up cars from the Pennsylvania Railroad. There are several industries served. The Vulcan Iron Works shown here primarily manufactured industrial steam engines up through the 1950s. The Yokonite Company manufactured electrical wire. This is one of the sidings serving it. Because so much of the Pennsylvania trackage is to the rear of the layout, most of the switching is done using the magnets, which are set up for uncoupling. Oconite 2, where the X29 boxcar is spotted, and the hazard wire rope, which is a single siding where the NW2 is currently seen, are two of the other industrial sidings. The hazard wire rope made of the American chain and cable, that's where my father worked, then manufactured heavy wire cable that was used in the mines and even the Golden Gate Bridge. The Pennsylvania also has trackage rights on the Lehigh Valley and drops off its Railway Express agency cars at the Union Station. Trackage rights are an interesting aspect of operations. The multiple railroads that were in the Wyoming Valley area crisscrossed each other, and quite a few of the railroads had working arrangements with other railroads to use their tracks to get to different areas. I'm representing that here where the Pennsylvania Railroad had trackage rights to reach the Oconite 2, the Hazard, and the REA area at Union Station. And the best way to explain it is to look at the control panel for the Pennsylvania Railroad here. The Pennsylvania Railroad is shown in red. The Lehigh Valley is shown in silver. The Lehigh Valley had trackage rights to the Pennsylvania Railroad sidings for interchange. The Pennsylvania Railroad had trackage rights on the Lehigh Valley to reach the REA siding at Union Station, and to reach its own trackage at Oconite 2 and the Hazard wire rope. It should make for an interesting aspect of operation. Because of the space limitations back here, the Lehigh Valley yard operator will be operating both the Pennsylvania Railroad trackage and the Lehigh Valley trackage. This crossover to get onto to service the Hazard and the Oconite, that's controlled from the Lehigh Valley Wilkes-Barre yard panel. Everything else is controlled, of the Pennsylvania Railroad is controlled from this panel. I hope to have an op session in the next couple of weeks, and we'll see how the operators can handle the Pennsylvania Railroad Wilkes-Barre local.